Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and then launch your first instance. Enable billing and the Compute Engine API, because without them you cannot create VMs. Once done, choose a region close to users, pick a machine type that matches CPU and memory needs, and select a boot image such as Debian or Ubuntu. Make sure to add your SSH key or enable OS login so you can access the server immediately. This gets your instance running and reachable for the next steps. Now configure networking and security. This is where you control access. Reserve a static external IP if clients must reach the server reliably, then create firewall rules to open only needed ports. SSH 22, HTTP 80, HTTPS 443, and any application ports. Use IAM roles and service accounts to grant least privilege for automation, and enable OS login for centralized SSH access. Once configured, test connectivity and permissions with a quick SSH session, because correct networking avoids deployment failures later. Finally, deploy your application and set up monitoring so you keep it healthy. Use startup scripts, Cloud Build, or a container image on Cloud Run or GKE. Choose what fits your workflow. Enable cloud monitoring and logging, create alerts for CPU, memory, and error rates, and review logs after deployment. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Check firewall rules, VPC routes, IAM permissions, and the instance serial console for boot issues. If you follow these steps, you'll reach a stable, observable production server.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.